Woo! Do you want to improve your voice in 10 minutes? Hi, my name is Dali and I'm a vocal coach and a singer, and let's do my vocal warm-up. It boosts your voice volume, strength and color. So first exercise is to do shaking. So relax yourself like a jelly and start to shake and breathe a lot. Relax and shake. The movement comes from your relaxed knee. And breathe. Make a big jelly bean. It's very important to relax also your jaws and all of the face. Also your eyes and tongue and hair, everything. Relax everything. Yeah, that's it. And continue to shake and bounce and breathe. Perfect. Second exercise is a dog breathing. So put your hand on your belly and tongue out and start to breathe like a dog. Try very fast. Come with me. And slow mode. With every inhale, your belly comes up. With exhale, coming back and down. Very nice. And now continue with the dog breathing, and we will add barking. Huff, huff. Don't come with me. Huff, bark, huff in the middle. Huff, huff. Very high tone. Huff, huff, huff. Small puppy. Huff, huff. Yeah, and the lower one, very big, deep dog. Huff, huff, huff. Very nice. Now we will make lip vibration and just relax everything. Yeah, lip vibe. Try to exhale in one line. Continue. If you struggle, you can relax your cheeks and pull them up. And now we'll add voice. And we will make a car. So like a small child, we will improvise through car sound. So continue with me, we're riding. Changing the tones and through lip vibe. Now car horn. Horn and me. Yeah, and riding. Continue with me. And now curve. Repeat. 2 times more. And it's good on the start to make fade in and then fade out. So try it. Once again. Perfect. Now I'm going to make tractor. Relax yourself, also like a jelly. And more deep and relaxed voice. And now you can make a shift. Shifting up, gear up, and down. Perfect. Now we have emergency. So activate your eyes, eyebrows up, and falsetto, the high note. And through lip bass, you are making ee-oo, ee-oo. Now again, car. And the last one, the best one, like golden exercise, is landing UFO. That's it. With the S, the UFO releases the legs and lands. It's the best exercise because start with the most highest tone you can sing and fluently goes down to your more depth, just completely low note. Come with me. Perfect, and up. And repeat, breathe in. And up. If you lost your lip vibe, you can continue through the singing. Or opposite. just sing to the note. Then we have a sound of falling. It's the same without the lip vibration. Just start with your highest note and ending with the more low note you can sing and get. And opposite, breathe in. And down. That's it, perfect. And last two. And breathe in, last one. Perfect. We have it. Now we go for opening the voice and soft palate through yawning. So yawn a lot, out loud. And continue with me. Just in the tone you are speaking. Now the higher note, the high pitch. And you can stretch yourself. Stretch up, to the left, to the right, like in the bed. Yeah. And now you are bored, so low note. Yawn through it. Perfect. Now we have a breathing exercise for activating your diaphragm. So at first, breathe in consciously inside of your belly to fill your belly like a balloon. The best is to all sides. So to the front, to the sides also, and into your back, lower back and kidneys as well. Very nice. So through inhale, you activate the balloon, and then you will be hissing through the exhale. So come with me, just hiss. And you are listening to yourself and trying to hiss on one steady line. If it will be shaking, it's okay, but try to hiss in one steady, fluent exhale. Perfect. 3 times more. And last one. This is great, very great exercise for singing your vocals very straight. Now we will add another 5 balloons or sh on sh. Continue with me. Inhale in your belly. Last 2. And last one. And now we switch to the rolls. In every roll, you changing the color of your tone by resonating the different parts of the body. The first one is very like down. It's a tribe man. So make your feet more wide, relax yourself and put your jaws down and saying galamano, like very silly voice. Galamano. Yeah, that's it. Continue with me. Galamano, like you will be drunk, the same. And you feel your resonation in your belly and pelvis. Galamano. And now I will add you a tone, and on that tone you will say and sing this Galamano. Ah, Galamano. Ah, Galamano. Ah, ah, Galamano. Ah, Galamano. Continue with me. Ah, Galamano. That's it. Ah, Galamano. Silly stupid voice. Ah, Galamano. Relax yourself and your face. Ah, Galamano. Ah, Galamano. Perfect. We have a triman, activated the bottom of our body. Now we'll activate the chest for the biggest volume and resonance here. It's very proud tone, and you will say, speaking like a big guy. Try it. Speak like a big guy. Come with me. Speak like a big guy. Or you also can say like macho, macho. And you feel your resonance here in your chest. Like a big guy. And in his resonance and his role of playing, we will sing steady notes on A. So feel your resonance here, one hand here, and the second make this gesture. Higher. Come on. Don't be afraid to open the mouth a lot. We have it. Now we go for the resonation of the backs, and it's a sound of relief, sigh. Yeah, this kind of, yeah, you feel relief. It's somebody gives you a present and you receive it with a joy and you feel it in your face. Yeah. So practice the sound with me. It's half the voice and half exhale, airy sound. Yeah. 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 Receiving a gift. Yeah, to your heart. Yeah. The resonance is between your shoulder blades. Yeah. 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 Perfect. Now we have a upper resonance of the mask and mostly the nose and the annoying sound, nose and forehead. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. It's the opposite of the triman, so articulate a lot. It's exercise for your mouth and this kind of resonance. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. And come with me. It's sharp. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. 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 You can put your hand on your face and feel it on your nose. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. 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 Last two. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Perfect. And the last exercise is a little baby. The resonance is in your neck and here. And just put your head a little bit like this and then gong, 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 this sound, gang, gang, gang. You are opening and closing your soft palate and end of your tongue, root of your tongue. Gang, 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 4 times. Gang, 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 and on different notes. Gang, 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 gang. And when we are tuning up, you are more happy. Happy baby. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. You're excited because mom comes. Gang, 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 gang. Also daddy comes. Gang, 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 gang. Very nice ankle. Gang, 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 gang. So that's it. This is my vocal warm-up. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. And see you next time.